Hey there, Prairie Plant Girl here. I had started these cauliflower and broccoli seedlings inside the house on a window ledge, and I started them inside because it was just been too difficult, too hot out in the greenhouse lately to get starts going. I've tried a few times, they just weren't starting for me. So I did them in the house where the temperature's a little more controlled, but I didn't want to turn on a full lighting system in my grow room for just 2 little trays. So I just done them on a windowsill, and I did them on a north windowsill, so I was using these trays that have LED lights in them just to give a little bit of supplemental light while they got going. But you can see they're getting pretty spindly, long, some are falling right over. And so I brought them out to the greenhouse now. I was kind of hoping to wait till they had a set of true leaves, but you can see they just have one set, which is their seed leaves still, their cotyledon leaves. But they'll be all right. So this is Freedom cauliflower, cheddar cauliflower, and twister. I had tried to get gypsy and imperial broccoli going. It was old seed, and it looks like it's just no good. There's nothing's come out of there, so I think we'll just leave those. But most of the rest all came up, and they're looking pretty good. So I'm gonna leave them out here. This tray has some Blue Wind and Green Magic broccoli. So I was hoping to get the other 2 varieties going because they do a little better in heat. These do a little better in cool weather, but they will handle the heat as well. And really, it's getting so late now that we'll be going into cool weather before we know it. So it's in August. We're just at the very beginning of August right now. So the shorter day varieties will be better anyways, but they're getting pretty spindly. I'm going to leave them out here, and for today I'm going to leave the covers on them just to kind of get them acclimated a little bit. We were in a heat wave for over a week, and now we've hit some cooler weather, so I'm in pants and a t-shirt, which is really odd for me at this time of year. I think we're in the mid-teens, and it's the middle of the afternoon, and the sun is just trying to peek out today. It's been kind of threatening rain all day, and the rest of the week is supposed to be cooler, not as cool as today though, so we'll leave the lids on for the rest of today and overnight. I'll take them off tomorrow morning so they don't get too hot when the sun does start to shine tomorrow, hopefully, and they should get much better lighting here. I'll probably wind up bumping them up into just a little bit bigger pots, and then I can plant them down deeper, but I'd like to wait till they get some true leaves. And we'll see how long that takes and what the garden's looking like. Maybe I'll just be able to plant them right into the garden at that point. But I would like them to have at least one set of true leaves, if not a couple, before they go in the garden. Here's the bed where I'll be putting those plants. So I just need to make some more room. There's an empty spot in between here. There's another couple in the back, in the middle, and there's some in the back. That should be emptying up right away here. I have this beautiful purple cauliflower right there. It's just about ready to pick. There's a couple more in the back that are getting close. And then this here, I forget the variety of that, but it's pretty much blown. It got too hot on that cauliflower and just took off on me. And I picked the last of this Minuteman. That was the last Minuteman I had, so getting close to where we need some more to get growing here. So like I said, my starts took a while to get going, but I've got some now, so we will get some more. And my broccoli, I don't know, I got some off of it, so, but I didn't get as much as I usually do, I think just because it got so hot. So this whole row was broccoli here where it's empty. And you can see the plants have been taken out, so there'll be room for more broccoli here right away. But that's what I'm doing out in my yard gardening today. So I thought I'd just bring you along for a real quick video, show you what's happening, and hopefully you're having a good day, some nice weather, and getting some gardening done. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.